Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the wind speed on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the wind icon under the map at the right side of the screen, and click to the third option, the wind speed. And now the wind speed is displayed on your map, and you can look this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.